Alright gang, that's a recap for today. Today we made $823. I lost two trades, one break even, the second one I lost, so it's one break even, one loss, and one win, big ass win you can see right here. And basically my patient paid, and I ended up doing the right thing. So here's what we're looking like right now. This is the first trade, minus 223, 32, and then 56 up, and then 1000 up. Great. Now I will show you all my bias and everything. So coming to market open, I saw this range being created. I will delete this one. Saw this range being created, and there was no opportunity for me to trade all the way till here. So what I did, I dropped to the 3-minute chart. I saw this range waiting to be rebalanced. So basically, I don't know if it's really true, but my idea of range is basically when there's PD arrays in between. So it could be order blocks, fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, whatever. And that's what I saw. I saw on the 5-minute a trend going down from this candle to this one, and even this one. Like, it doesn't really matter, but we have this fair value gap right here, you can see, that sits right between the 50% of the range. So what I did, I waited for price to create a rejection block, and that's what it did. I entered right here around the entry of this rejection block, and it went well for a moment and then stopped me out. Great. Second trade, same idea, just a different rejection block. It was this one. Yeah, this fair value gap kind of annoying. So I saw price dropping all the way here, and you can see my target was here, and price went all the way here and then reversed on me. I'm glad I put it on BE, the stop loss. So now when I saw price just so willingly pushing up, it made me realize that, you know what, there is a new range being created and you need to be a part of it. So that's what I did. I waited for the new range to get created, and it was right here, you can see. And yep, and that's basically it. That's the range. Now you can see the PD arrays of this range are not even close to my entry. Why is that? Because I scaled up to the 50-minute time frame. I saw this fair value gap, and I saw price creating a rejection block right here that tapped in, like it tagged in and went up. So I knew that this is a part of my plan, and then I was waiting for a rejection block to get created. There it is. Entered at the CE point with 4 contracts and targeted the liquidity that was right here. Now I could have went out here, but this was not my trade idea. I was like, I gave myself basically 2 conditions. If this candle would have swept up this one, this high, then I will definitely recalculated my steps. Since it didn't, I decided to just stay here and wait for this displacement, which happened right here. And you can see now how we swept it perfectly. So that's a 5-hour risk to reward ratio trade, and I'm very happy with it. And you know, the account balance is back to normal and even up a little bit. I got tomorrow to trade on the PC, and then Thursday to trade on my phone, and same shit with on Friday, basically on my phone again. And I can't lie, I need to be very careful next time, because I could have been out right here for around 800 and be happy, but no, I decided to wait all the way down here. Now sometimes it may be great, like in this scenario I could have went out right here. A 3-to-1 trade is great. I don't know why there's no issue with it, but I knew that price is just getting magnified to this, and yes, I took a risk when I tried to get this 60+ point more but you know, it's a game of probabilities, and I took the best one that I could have, and that's how we ended up right now. Basically, just like that, bro. It's amazing. I feel like I'm sticking to my plan, and when I'm on my computer it's way easier because you know I can see everything. I can see SMTs and stuff, and on my phone it's a bit harder, but yeah, it's cool though. I feel like I'm doing the right thing right now, and I may sound shaky. It's because it's cold as fuck out there, but as I said, and I will say it again, I'm done with not following my structure, my plans and everything. I will just keep on going and doing what I want to do, which is trading according to my rules, making money and getting out of the charts. Now I'm staying because I'm doing this recap, but tomorrow I'll probably do a recap, but after that there won't be a recaps for the whole next week. It's kind of unfortunate, but we can't do much about it. So yeah, I'm cool with the results. I'm happy that I managed to do the right things. Now this is going to get up, and this is going to get up, and this is will probably stay around the same. But you know, it's a great start for my funded account. Only the second day, and I'm already like, yeah, I don't know why it's in 9 trades. What the fuck? These three were mistake. These two as well. Yeah, I basically like losing 300 and only taking 9 trades and winning one is kind of nice because it shows that my risk management is greater than before. But here we are again. So next time I hope I will catch a better trade with more contracts, because you know I took 2 trades prior to that and couldn't wait and couldn't what did I want to say? Anyway, I'm taking like this trade was great, but it was executed bad. The second one was perfect. I just wanted more, and it's not an issue because I deserve that. Like, there is no problem with trading for, with aiming for a 1K trade when you see that there is literally a draw on liquidity and there is no SMT at the lows. You can see right here. So yeah, I'm cool with the trade today. And the last one is just basically waiting for the range to get created, waiting for value gaps and rejection blocks, and for a retrace to the CE instead of just, you know, going all in and putting my entry level right here. I did everything right today. I feel like I just hope next time it will be in better days, in better conditions, at least, because market open was choppy. There was SMTs all over, but the drawn liquidity was obvious. And yeah, that's basically it. I appreciate you all for watching, and I hope that tomorrow we will hear great news like me up 1500 on trade. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.